Hi, Justin Wrigley, XA Realty, the Wrigley team. Welcome to 200 Nature in Casselman. This modified Falcon by Saca is a gorgeous home. 4 bedrooms with a 5th bedroom in the basement, oversized driveway, and a ton of features. Let's go for a tour. Inside, you'll find an abundance of natural light flowing throughout, beautiful hardwood flooring throughout the main and second level, formal living room, dining room, and check out that gorgeous kitchen with large island, quartz countertops, cabinets to the ceiling, pantry, and a double fridge. And a bonus family room. Continuing up the hardwood staircase to the second level, you'll find 4 bedrooms, including your primary with an adjacent office, large walk-in closet, and a spa-like ensuite with walk-in shower. Thanks for taking a tour of 200 Nature in Casselman. This beautiful 5-bedroom house on a corner lot could be your next home. It's up to you to book your private viewing today.